10 early warning signs of coronary artery disease, CAD, that could lead to a heart attack. Every year, millions of lives are lost to coronary artery disease, the #1 cause of death worldwide. The scary part? Your body often warns you long before a heart attack happens, but most people ignore the signs. In this video, we'll uncover the 10 early warning signs of coronary artery disease that could save your life. Introduction. Coronary artery disease, CAD, is the most prevalent form of cardiovascular disease and remains the leading cause of death worldwide, responsible for millions of fatalities every year. It develops when the coronary arteries, which supply oxygen and nutrients to the heart muscle, become narrowed or blocked. The most common underlying mechanism is atherosclerosis, a chronic inflammatory process where cholesterol, fat, calcium, and cellular debris accumulate along the inner walls of arteries. Over time, these plaques restrict blood flow and deprive the heart muscle of oxygen, a condition known as ischemia. One of the most dangerous aspects of coronary artery disease, CAD, is its silent progression. For years, individuals may have no obvious signs, or they may dismiss early warning signals as minor discomforts. Symptoms like fatigue, indigestion, or jaw pain may not be immediately associated with heart disease, leading to delays in diagnosis. However, the body often gives subtle warnings before a major heart attack occurs. Understanding these signs is critical, not only for patients but also for clinicians, families, and caregivers who may be the first to recognize an emergency. In this video, we'll go through 10 of the most important warning signs, explain why they happen, and why recognizing them on time can be life-saving. 1. Chest discomfort, angina. The first and most classic warning sign is chest discomfort, also called angina. This isn't usually a sharp stabbing pain. Instead, it's a sensation of pressure, heaviness, squeezing, or tightness. Many describe it as though an elephant is sitting on their chest. It often happens during exercise, stress, or even after a heavy meal, moments when the heart needs more oxygen. When narrowed arteries can't deliver enough, discomfort strikes. Stable angina usually improves with rest or medication, but unstable angina, pain that appears unpredictably or even at rest, is a medical emergency. If chest discomfort does not quickly resolve, it must be taken with utmost seriousness. 2. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath, or dyspnea, is another red flag. Many people first notice it while climbing stairs, walking short distances, or lying flat in bed.
Why?
Because a weakened heart cannot pump efficiently, blood backs up into the lungs, and fluid begins to collect. This symptom is especially common in women and older adults, who may not experience the classic chest pain. If you notice sudden or worsening breathlessness, especially if it comes with chest pressure, it could be an early sign of heart failure or acute coronary syndrome. 3. Pain beyond the chest. Cardiac pain is not always localized to the chest. In many cases, coronary artery disease, CAD, produces referred pain, radiating to other parts of the body such as the left arm, shoulder, back, neck, jaw, or even the upper stomach. This occurs because the nerve fibers that carry pain signals from the heart share pathways with those from these regions, causing the brain to misinterpret the source of discomfort. Patients often report that the pain feels dull, aching, or heavy rather than sharp. It may come and go with exertion and is sometimes dismissed as arthritis, muscle strain, or even dental pain. The danger lies in underestimating such discomfort, particularly in high-risk individuals with diabetes, hypertension, or high cholesterol. Physicians are trained to treat any pain radiating from the chest or upper body as potentially cardiac until proven otherwise. 4. Dizziness or lightheadedness. Episodes of dizziness or lightheadedness may also be linked to coronary artery disease, CAD. These sensations often arise when the heart is unable to maintain adequate cardiac output, resulting in reduced blood flow to the brain. In some cases, coronary artery disease can cause irregular heart rhythms, arrhythmias, which may briefly interrupt blood circulation and lead to fainting, known as syncope. Although dizziness can result from a variety of causes, including dehydration, anemia, or inner ear disorders, when it occurs together with chest pain, palpitations, or shortness of breath, it should immediately raise suspicion of an underlying cardiac issue. Repeated unexplained dizziness is not only distressing but also dangerous, as it increases the risk of falls, accidents, and sudden cardiac arrest. 5. Unexplained sweating. Sweating is a normal response to heat, physical exertion, or stress. However, sudden, profuse, and unexplained sweating, especially when it occurs alongside chest discomfort or nausea, can signal coronary artery disease. This type of sweating, sometimes called diaphoresis, is triggered by activation of the sympathetic nervous system when the heart is under strain. Unlike exercise-induced perspiration, cardiac-related sweating often feels cold and clammy. Patients sometimes report waking in the night drenched in sweat without any obvious cause. In emergency settings, cold sweats are one of the hallmark symptoms of acute myocardial infarction, heart attack. For clinicians, unexplained diaphoresis during a patient's evaluation is considered a red flag that requires immediate investigation. 6. Swelling in ankles, feet, or legs. Swelling in the lower extremities, known as peripheral edema, frequently occurs in advanced stages of coronary artery disease, CAD. As the heart weakens and loses its ability to pump efficiently, blood backs up into the venous system. This increased pressure causes fluid to leak out of capillaries and accumulate in the tissues, leading to visible puffiness around the ankles and feet. Shoes may feel tighter in the evening, and pressing on the skin may leave an indentation, pitting edema. Although swelling can also be caused by kidney disease, liver disorders, or prolonged standing, in the context of cardiovascular risk factors, it strongly suggests congestive heart failure related to CAD. Persistent swelling, especially when accompanied by fatigue and shortness of breath, should prompt urgent medical evaluation. 7. Persistent cough. A cough that does not resolve with typical treatment can also be a sign of coronary artery disease. In heart failure, which often develops as a complication of coronary artery disease, CAD, fluid accumulates in the lungs, irritating the airways and triggering a chronic cough. Patients may describe it as dry and hacking, although in severe cases it may produce pink, frothy sputum, indicating fluid leakage into the lung tissue. This so-called cardiac cough is frequently misdiagnosed as asthma, chronic bronchitis, or another respiratory condition. The key difference is that a heart-related cough often worsens when lying down and improves when sitting upright. Recognizing the distinction is vital, as treating it as a lung condition alone will not address the underlying cardiac issue. 8. Irregular heartbeats, arrhythmias. Many people with coronary artery disease, CAD, experience irregular heartbeats, medically termed arrhythmias. These can feel like fluttering, pounding, skipped beats, or episodes of a racing heartbeat. They occur when reduced blood supply damages the heart's electrical conduction system, causing abnormal signaling patterns. While occasional skipped beats may be harmless, persistent arrhythmias are dangerous because they can reduce the heart's efficiency or trigger life-threatening rhythms such as ventricular tachycardia or fibrillation. These conditions significantly increase the risk of sudden cardiac arrest. Patients experiencing palpitations accompanied by dizziness, fainting, or chest discomfort should seek immediate medical care. 9. Throat or jaw pain. One of the more unusual yet important signs of coronary artery disease, CAD, is pain in the throat or jaw. Because the nerves serving the heart share pathways with those in the upper body, cardiac pain may present in areas far removed from the chest. Patients sometimes experience a dull ache in the jaw or throat, often assuming it is related to dental issues or infections. This type of pain is particularly concerning when it occurs during exertion and subsides with rest, a hallmark pattern of angina. It is also more commonly reported in women and diabetics, who often present with atypical cardiac symptoms. For this reason, physicians are trained to evaluate jaw or throat pain carefully, especially when accompanied by risk factors such as obesity, smoking, or family history of heart disease. 10. Digestive discomfort, nausea, indigestion, stomach pain. Digestive discomfort, including nausea, bloating, indigestion, or upper abdominal pain, can also be a sign of coronary artery disease. The overlap occurs because the nerves of the heart and digestive system are interconnected, leading the brain to interpret cardiac pain as gastric in origin. Many patients, especially women, report such gastrointestinal symptoms rather than classic chest pain during a heart attack. Unfortunately, this often leads to misdiagnosis. Heart attacks in women are more likely to be mistaken for acid reflux, gastritis, or gallbladder problems. The danger lies in delay. By the time cardiac origin is suspected, damage to the heart muscle may already be significant. Recognizing digestive symptoms as potential cardiac warnings, particularly when accompanied by sweating, fatigue, or radiating pain, is therefore crucial. Why these signs matter. The 10 warning signs discussed are not isolated events but interconnected manifestations of a struggling heart. Coronary artery disease, CAD, progresses silently, but these symptoms are the body's emergency signals. Ignoring them can result in severe complications, including heart failure, arrhythmias, or sudden cardiac death. Diagnosis and medical evaluation. When these warning signs appear, physicians rely on a variety of diagnostic tools. A physical examination assesses blood pressure, heart sounds, and circulation. Electrocardiograms, ECG, record electrical activity and detect arrhythmias or ischemia. Stress tests evaluate the heart's response to exertion, while echocardiography uses ultrasound to visualize heart function. For more detailed imaging, coronary angiography or CT angiograms reveal blockages directly. Early detection allows for intervention before catastrophic events like myocardial infarction occur. Prevention and lifestyle management. The best strategy against coronary artery disease, CAD, is prevention. Key lifestyle measures include adopting a heart-healthy diet low in saturated fats and high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, engaging in regular aerobic exercise, maintaining a healthy body weight, and avoiding tobacco. Managing medical risk factors such as hypertension, diabetes, and high cholesterol is equally important. Stress reduction, adequate sleep, and routine health checkups also contribute significantly to heart health. Treatment options. Once coronary artery disease, CAD, is diagnosed, treatment may involve both medication and procedures. Common drugs include antiplatelets, aspirin, clopidogrel, statins to lower cholesterol, beta blockers and ACE inhibitors to reduce strain on the heart, and nitrates to relieve angina. For severe blockages, interventional procedures such as angioplasty with stent placement or coronary artery bypass surgery, CABG, may be required. Treatment is individualized based on disease severity and patient risk factors. Conclusion. Coronary artery disease remains a global health challenge, but it is not without warning. The body often signals distress long before a major heart attack occurs, through chest discomfort, breathlessness, swelling, fatigue, or even subtle signs like indigestion and jaw pain. Recognizing these 10 early warning signs, seeking prompt medical attention, and addressing lifestyle risk factors can dramatically reduce the burden of coronary artery disease, CAD. Early detection saves lives. Ignoring these signs can cost 1.